London from Bethel, New York, a neighboring town of yours. I'm a mother, and I have written and sent Governor Cuomo several letters with my concerns about fracking, including a letter of Mothers Against Hydraulic Fracturing with over 200 signatures. I'm here today to support the work of the Rewrite Committee, including the provisions that will prohibit heavy industry in the town of Lumberland. My son attends the Homestead School in Glenspey, and I do not want to see this beautiful town that is dependent on clean air, quiet surroundings, and water everywhere turned into an industrial zone. The gas industry is claiming to bring to our state jobs, but they are temporary and will take away from the jobs that are compatible with our agriculture, tourism, higher education, healthy population, and a region with wonderful drinking water. Our governor is rushing to welcome the gas industry to the Marcellus Shale and offering us what will feel like an occupied state followed by a failed state. We now know the dangers of hydraulic fracturings and have seen the hazards and consequences of this destructive practice in Pennsylvania and other areas where it has been going on. In fact, the EPA just recently found the compounds associated with frack chemicals have been detected in the groundwater beneath Pavilion, Wyoming. Study after study has shown the dangers of fracking, including carcinogens like benzene and dangerous chemical contamination in drinking water. It entails the underground injection of hundreds of billions of gallons of toxic fluids that will never be recovered, including the toxic and highly radioactive fracking waste. This proposed SGIS plan to track the solid and liquid waste that are generated in connection with fracking sounds positive until we read the fine print that the DEC are leaving the tracking of these toxic wastes up to the gas industry operators. We all know and have seen what happens when the gas industry is asked to police itself. Even more upsetting is that our Department of Environmental Conservation is still not classifying some of the waste that normally qualifies as hazardous. That means that fracking waste and even worse, radioactive sludge would be sent to treatment facilities that are unable to properly treat it. No one can assure us that these toxic fluids won't present a threat to our drinking water.